guys, so for today's video we're going to be doing this like smoky-ish, kind of left my eyeliner on while I was sleeping kind of vibe. I feel like that vibe's sort of coming back from when I was like younger, and I just thought it'd be super fun to do, especially with sort of Saltburn coming back around, and I can't remember the sister's name, I watched it last year, but sort of like that eyeliner kind of like, it's like messy but well put together kind of. So that's the kind of vibe we're going for today. So yeah, this is going to be a voiceover, so I'm just going to sort of do my makeup, relax a little bit, and you'll get to see like the full shebang going on. I am going cinema today, so this might be a bit too much for the cinema, but you know what? I'm just going to enjoy my life. If I want to go heavy makeup, I'm going to. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so brows are done. They're a hot mess, but they are done. So I'm going to go into this Smashbox 24-hour photo shadow primer. Smashbox no longer still in the UK, but it's one of my favourite primers, and I'm just going to get through it until I get a new one. Then I'm going to take the Model Coat eyeliner. This is just in black, so I am going to tight line. Is that what they call it? The waterline. You're just going to pop it in there. So I just sort of drag this down with my finger. Obviously, just be careful with how you sort of do this. And then I take this on the top of the lid, just take it all through really, really messily. And then I kind of rub my eye. So obviously I am being quite aggressive here. Just do be gentle, obviously, and don't do it so often. And then just going back in, adding more, and then just rubbing again. And then I buff it out with a little brush. These are the Spectrum and KJ Hughes collection. I'm not too sure on the number. I'm literally just going through, buffing that out. Kind of smoke it out a little bit, wing it out a little bit. And then I take the Natasha Denona, this is the bronze palette, and I take Deep Dive from there. That same brush, just smoking it all out. Taking it on the bottom as well, just really smoking that through. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Mitchell, this is their liquid, I can never say this, like blush. It is in Drip Drip, it's like one of their most iconic shades if you wish. Truly stunning, so I just pop that over the lid. And then I take mascara, so I take this on the top, and then we'll obviously go in with lashes and apply some mascara to the bottom once we've finished. And then I take the, oh, too fast, okay, they were the, I'm panicking there. This is the Hourglass, I can't remember what this primer is called, but yeah, that's what I take. And I take the iconic Skin Tint. I don't know the shade of this either, I just know I really like it, it's really nice. Then I take the Fenty Beauty, oh, my brain is not working today. It's like their serum-y kind of concealer. It's very light, doesn't have a lot of pigment to it. So yeah, I just apply that on the places that you can see here, and then I just buff that out with a brush. Then to set it, I take the McGrath, oh my god, Perfecting, no, I don't know what the powder is called. It's like the under eye one only. And then I take the Pink Honey Cookies and S'mores contour, and then we take the Rose Ink bronzer, and just put that on the bronzer points. By the way, the lashes were from Bperfect and Jack Joss. I don't know if they still sell them or not. Then I just buff this out, just using that same brush that we used for contour. Then I take the Rare Beauty blush, just take a dabble. Obviously you don't need a lot of this, you want to swipe it off before you go ahead and use it. And then obviously just buffing it out, just using that same brush again. Don't necessarily need to sort of change them all. Then I take the Melt Cosmetics blush in Cali Dream. I know the name of this one because it's my favourite, I love it. And then I take the Lush, I think this is the Feeling Younger Skin Tint. I haven't used this in a while, this is probably really old, I should probably get a new one. But I take a little bit on the back of my hand, just on a brush, and then apply a little bit to my face, or my cheeks, and then just tap it out with my finger. and then you should see me put it on my Cupid's bow and my nose, and then just, yeah, again, tapping it in with my finger. All the products will be listed in the bottom bar as well, along with the shades and stuff. Then I take the Charlotte Tilbury, this is the Flawless Airbrush something powder in Fair 1. I just take that all over the face. Then I take the Revolution Hyaluronic Hydrating Essence Spray. This is in Pink Grapefruit. This is just like a mist just to sort of help melt the products in a little bit, you know, like Matte Fix Plus. Then I take the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Then we go back into the Natasha Denona palette and just really smoke out that bottom lash line. Then Lower Lash Mascara, but you can see none of this, you can see the top of my head. And I take the Eau Decay Ex-Girlfriend lipstick. This has been discontinued and I only just found this out recently. I filmed this video ages ago and I'm literally so heartbroken. But yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is the finished look, and these lashes are gorgeous, but oh my god, were they a pain to get on. I feel like they're finally even. It doesn't help that my eyes are uneven as well, but I think we're there now. You probably saw me putting on like foundation and stuff and my like eyelash was half hanging off, but she's finally back on. She's finally good. It's kind of put together but kind of not. I just wanted some of the sparkle. Obviously you don't have to use the sparkle, that's completely up to you, but I just thought this sort of messy glitter with a messy eye is just kind of perfect. This eyeliner from Model Co. I used to love this, but I think it's like quite old, and it's like it really drags on the skin, and like I had to swipe it a few times to get it to come out to be black, so I think I definitely need a new one. But this was really good when it wasn't dried out. But yeah, you can take any eyeshadow palette. I literally just picked up Natasha Denona because I really wanted this like blackish purpley shade from the palette. Obviously you don't need to buy this whole ass palette just for one shade, but obviously it's gorgeous anyway. But yeah, I'm kind of happy with how it came out. It's like just like a little bit messy but still put together. I don't know. With lipstick, I used the Eau Decay. This is Ex-Girlfriend, and I freaking love this. This is like my lips but better. I just wish it was more matte. I just feel like with this sort of eye, I don't want anything too shiny, but this is like my all-time favourite lipstick. I mean, I could probably put a bit of powder on top and make it matte, but yeah, if not, like probably like a juicy lip tint or something like that would be really, really good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video.